Okay, welcome to the Fox Glacier. Here we are parked off on the snow.
Scared of heights when you're in the helicopter all the time.
Now along the main divide we get 30 to 50 metres of snow a year. Gradually it turns into ice, and it's simply the weight which keeps it pushing down the valley, keeps the glacier moving forward. In the summertime it melts quite a lot, but last year the glacier moved forward 30 metres. There's Mount Tasman. Number 2, the second highest in New Zealand, 11,000 feet. And Mount Cook, in behind there, 12,500 feet high. And here we are looking back down to the Tasman Sea, down to the beach. And the helicopter we flew up here on.